Hi, today I will show you how to compile ostrich calibration tool in Ubuntu LTS version 20 that is available subsystem for Windows 10. What's ostrich? Ostrich is a very nice tool for calibration purposes. It has 17 different search algorithms that are really well-established methods. It was written by MATTOT, and it has been for a while maintained by United States Bureau of Reclamation, and the new administrators are Juliana May, Drew Allen Loney, and Trevor James Smith. With this algorithm, you can run in serial, and if you have MPI, you can also run it in parallel mode. It has really nice methods. For example, I'm heavily using parallel Pareto DDS. That is Parapets. It is under this one. I like it a lot. It shows you Pareto solutions with multiple objective functions. Well, after you Google it, you get two options. One is this page, the methods page, and here you get the zip file that is version 18.12.19. This is a little bit old, but this one is well maintained 4 months ago, and the version, I can say it is version 21.03.16. This is newer, and I think there are not major changes, but I recommend if you are a Linux user, even for Windows machines, you can compile the new version with Cygwin environment. Today we will just focus on Ubuntu LTC environment. Alright, what you do here, you can download the zip. And then put them in your home directory under your user, and then start Ubuntu. Before recording this this video, I made a rehearsal to make sure that everything is working. And I noticed one glitch that there can be sometimes permission denied problems in Ubuntu. When you face such problems, you do sudo -i chmod -r or -r 755 and then your folder. I got this solution after some Googling. Here, this is a good solution by Alex Lowe in December 2013. Okay, so what you do after you unzip them, in this one, version 17, you have a source C++ codes, and in the Reclamation Bureau version, you have source, the same codes, C++, and then a make folder where you will compile, because the make file is here. This is the make file. inside there are options. Be careful with that. As you see, it's looking at the CRC source place, so you will change directory to here into the make folder and then write make with some options. If you are using GCC compiler and serial, you will write this one. For example, we are in ostrich-master in make folder, and make all will show you the all options. Since I'm using GCC compiler, I just say make GCC, and then it will create this ostrich binary. There's no exe extension. Be careful with that. It's for Windows executables. This is binary file, and after some warnings and some time, it's done, it's finished. And then I also try the MPI version. Then I write the make GCC MPI, and then after some time, I get the results. And if you do ls, there's ostrich and ostrich MPI. If you say start ostrich and you get this one, it means that it's installed correctly or compiled correctly. But you need, of course, an austin.txt file, configuration file. How about the MATTOT version, a bit older one? As you see, I had a permission denied problem when I firstly brought the file folder to my home drive. And then I gave a sudo folder right 755. After that, listed, and then ostrich, and then inside the source there are the CPPs, and at the end there are make files. Since I'm using GCC, of course, there is the default one which is not working. If you are a GCC user, you need to rename this one as makefile and then repeat. So I copied GCC or renamed the GCC to makefile, and then the options can be seen by make all. You need the this tag or script make ser will create a serial, and make MPI will create a parallel version using MPI. So make ser will create the serial version after a while. It's quite fast compared to fragmented pest tool installation. At the end, make all again to see what was the script, make MPI, and then at the end in the source, if you do ls, you will get ostrich MPI and ostrich without any extension. So in here again, if you do ostrich, you will get the same, and ostrich MPI will give you, yes, this is a problem. Of course, we don't have Austin configuration file. That's why we have a initialization problem. But both versions are compiled successfully. This was the topic of today. If you have any question, please write it down and Google first. After you Google, I'm sure you will find some results. And play with the makefile a little bit. Try to understand what is written here. It's very simple. As you see, this is for Intel compiler, and hopefully this video will be useful for you. Thank you.